Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R230 server. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R230 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, well, let's hop in. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. So what we'll do in this video as a whole is we'll talk about the general specs of the power supply that's in here, and we'll show you how to install it. It's going to be pretty simple overall. So there is one cabled in power supply. It is a 250 watt bronze power supply, and again, it is cabled in. This is not a hot swap system. It would be nice if there was two hot swaps, the 4-bay and the 2-bay, both except one 250 bronze power supply. Yeah, I know, it should be better, but that's what you get. So what we'll do now is we'll show you how to install it, but before we do, I'm going to grab my ESD gear and I'll be right back.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'm going to show you how to install your cabled power supply into your Dell PowerEdge R230. So as you can see, we have our cabled power supply right here. We have our Phillips head screwdriver, and we have the screw that's going to actually screw this power supply into place. So go ahead and pop that latch. Lift up the top just like any other server you've been in before. All right, so as you can see when we're looking into our server, right here is where the power supply is actually going to fit into place. And we're gonna go ahead and screw it down there, and then the cable is gonna run all around to the side right over here. So first, grab your power supply. We're gonna unravel our cables right here just to get it ready. And we're just gonna go ahead and flip this upside down to show you the screw hole where it's going to actually screw into place right here. That way we secure it into place. Alright, so go ahead and set this power supply into place. You can just easily set it right here and you can push it back. That way it's flush with the back right here. And then we're going to set our cables down. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually screw it into place. So go ahead and grab that blue screw and your Phillips head screwdriver. And we're just simply going to screw this power supply onto the chassis. This will secure it in place and making sure that the power supply isn't going to be moving around inside the server. All right, so now that we have this power supply screwed into place, it's not going anywhere, it's safely secured into the chassis. Now, this right here is the backplane cable. Typically, if you had a backplane on your server, you would plug it in right over around here. But this is a 2-bay cabled drive bay, so there really isn't going to be a backplane. So we're just going to go ahead and put it right here. That way we can save some space. So right here it says MB, and you're actually going to plug it in all the way in the back right here. Just making sure that you're being as gentle as possible. Make sure that it's secured, and we're just going to go ahead and lay this down. This motherboard cable is going to plug in. So just going to make sure that we plug it in. All right, so now that that's plugged in, we're gonna go ahead and this small cable right here is actually gonna plug into right here. And this is a little small, so just be as delicate as possible. There you go, now that's plugged in. Fix up these cables, making sure that it's nice and snug and organized into our server, putting it in this bracket right here. And there you go. That's how you install your cabled power supply into your Dell PowerEdge R230 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like and smash the subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, maybe you're looking for a Ryzen server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished, so please just give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.